Yes, folks, it's your boy JQ. Welcome to all my people on Twitch and all my StreamYard viewers. This is the after party for the Irish Film London event. Yeah. Big up to Irish Film London. Big up Jerry. Shout out to everyone locked in. Alright, so check it. We're going to have a party tonight. All the way from Ireland to the UK. I'm going to keep it going with some R&B and hip-hop. Yes, folks.
Cause I'm about to turn away.
Welcome.
Nothing but you remain asleep.
It's your boy JQ on Twitch and on StreamYard.
Boy, in the arms of a man that's strong.
Yeah, this is the after party for the Irish Film London event, should I say.
Really trying, but giving up so hard to do. Listening to my
Yeah, so we're going out on 2 platforms tonight.
for you. You're the type of guy that dreams are made up.
Shout out to all my Twitch fam.
You won't ever, whenever you need me, baby. Cause I'm where I wanna be, boy. Where I want to be. I'm right here with you and me.
First of all, you a banger, straight up and down. I'm seeing minks on your hangers. I know your mama told you don't talk to strangers. That leads to dangerous situations, but I can't be patient. You need communication, appreciation, respect for your style instead of talking all wild. One smile, you daydreaming to walk in the aisle, in the waterbed, rolling around in the money pile. Baby, my format is not to be a doormat, but I still pull your chair out at the table and all that. Touch your back softly, whatever it costs me. Time, money, or energy. You will remember me.
My answering machine. Now that I'm alone, cause right now it says that we can't come to the phone. And I know it makes no sense, cause you walked out the door, but it's the only way I hear your voice anymore. It's ridiculous. It's been months, for some reason I just can't get over. And I'm stronger than this. Yeah, enough is enough. No more walking around with my head down. I'm so over being blue, crying over you. And I'm so sick of the song, so tired of tears, so done with wishing you were still here. Said I'm so sick of the song, so sad and slow. So why can't I turn on the music?
Champagne kinda like all the way turning, coming out. Everything coming right. Can't nothing hold us down. I got you on that. Talk tripping off the sound. You can't even get down. Feel it, girl. Here tomorrow, let's live in life. Oh, can last for. We can go wherever. Better. Oh, it don't get no better. Oh, it don't get no better. And don't let this.
Don't get no better. Don't get no better.
Yeah, mic check.
Champagne kind of night. All the way I'm now turning down. Everything's feeling right.
Yeah, what up, Kid Ray on Twitch? What's good, mate?
You lay down, you got me all bad. So bad.
Yeah, I had it switched off, mate.
Oh, but I give it good.
Yes, Laura Ramden on the StreamYard. I see you.
Did you feel it? Boy, and I'm feeling it.
But tomorrow, let's live in life.
Oh, this lasts forever.
We can go wherever. Oh, it don't get no better. It don't get no better. Oh, it don't get no better. It don't get no better.
If I could
Yeah, we're just going to keep it mellow for now.
write to you, I would.
We're going to step up the energy real soon.
I'd pack it up, seal it tight, and I'd send it overnight. Every time I hear your voice and I look into your eyes, there's a very sweet sensation inside me. The look in your eyes astound me. I am sending my love to you, praying that you are home. Sealing it sending my love to you, praying that you are home. Sealing it, sending my love for your feet.
Oh yeah, keep it like that. Keep it like that in the
Yo, big up DJ Dizzy. Yeah, so in case any of you StreamYard viewers are wondering what's going on, we're actually broadcasting on Twitch and on StreamYard.
Everybody
So I'm talking to two different lots of people.
gotta stop the world standing still. Don't you know I got a place?
But it's all good. We can handle it, right?
I tell ya, funky people, let me come back to ya. Understand we got the stuff to move ya. Anybody with the phone for tomorrow. So you don't have to play around. Take someone you love, show them where it's at. 'Cause there's a time for getting along, time to feel the fun like we used to know. And can we take the paper up the school? See what happiness will bring in. Take the paper up the school. Everybody's got that feeling. Take the paper up the school. See what happiness will bring in. Take the paper up the school. Everybody's got that fun feeling. That feeling. Keep the paper for the babies going. Pass it on so we can keep them knowing the positivity is going on. I tell ya,
Yeah, once again, big shout out to the Irish Film London crew.
funky music ain't the strangest notion when you're feeling in your soul.
Shout out to all the London Irish community.
You don't have to play around.
I was one of you for 12 years.
On your love, show them where it's at. 'Cause there's a time for getting time for getting on. Like we used to love. Oh, can we see what happiness will bring in? Everybody's got that feeling. See what happiness will bring in. New information.
Yo, they wanna know who's that girl? Come on. Who's that girl? Come on. Who's that girl? What's my name, y'all? What's my name, y'all? Come on. Yo. Can I turn you on by my word spell?
can't tell. Me, I keep it sexy, daddy, so I can't fail. Keep it gangster for the cowards, so I give them hell. Call me misfit, lips for the gang of trash. Riskless now, cause I make a gang of cash. Like glam, still street with the do-rag. Slang, spit, gang, change speech, how they do that? Watch they mouths drop, watch the crowds pop up and act out. Brawls with the screw face, smash on and knock out. Ain't change, game to run me, I run the game. If I gotta keep it green, so be it. I'm supposed to change like simple. Dizzy brawls, they fucking with my mental. Natural born hustling, bitch, check what I've been through. Got mine, took it from you, and never slot mine. That's to my own shit, dog. I'm on the dot time. Who's that girl? La 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 la. Come on, come on. Who's that girl? La 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 la. Who's that girl? La 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 la. Yeah.
Swizzy! Swizzy! It's not! Swizzy! It's not! Swizzy! Swizzy! Swizzy!
Mother, way you do me, mother, way you do me. Why you gotta be so good when you give it to me? I've been trying to take away it until you know. Same time I'm thinking of me crazy. Mother, way you do me, mother, way you do me. You'll be talking something good when you're talking to me. I've been trying to take away it until you know. Same time I'm thinking of me crazy. Most just can run up on me, mean I'm at the door, me getting swept off my feet. That I'll never know. Since you been coming around, I've been scrambling, steady switching up so much for girls that know me. Just don't let it put me mad at me, you got me alone. Couldn't say it, but the way it happened, just let me know. Those minutes I was gonna get me missing now. We ain't even trading kisses, but I feel so much fire here. Mother, way you do me, why you gotta be so good when you give it to me? Mother, way you do me, mother, way you do me, why you gotta be so good when you give it to me? I've been trying to take away it until you know.
Us, we fight, your fault, my fault. We was on the same team, at least that's what I thought. We both participated, only I got caught. Now we hardly conversating, baby, we don't talk. It was fun at first, you can't say I'm wrong. Now you wanna talk about it, too late, I'm gone. You mad at me, cause I don't wanna play your game. I ain't perfect, but I'ma do my thing. We gotta meet in the middle, huh? You here, I'm there. Tell me what's the sense of me trying if you don't care. This relationship is headed to who knows where. That means one of us got to choose. Because you hurt me and I hurt you. You complain about the things that I don't do. And I don't want to take the blame, neither do you. Because we got too much to lose. We gotta meet in the middle. Meet in the middle. We gotta meet in the middle. We gotta compromise. Baby, don't analyze. We need to see.
Yes, folks.
Let's meet in the middle.
It's your boy DJ JQ.
We gotta meet in the middle. We gotta compromise.
Irish Film London After Party event.
We need to see eye to eye. Meet in the middle. We got something we can't enjoy. I'm sick of you trying to.
Yeah, big up all the Irish filmmakers.
You try to run game, I saw it.
Carrying that green, white, and gold on your back around the world, yeah?
Middle, you can't talk that shit. You can't travel to the future if you walk backwards. Once you walk out the door, you can't walk back in. We gotta find a way to stop and think about our kids, cause they in the middle. You wanna sing that song, you won't need a copper plea. Say, okay, I'm wrong. Things are getting heavy, but I still stay strong. I try to talk it over with you, but I could have been gone. Because you hurt me, and I hurt you. You complain about the things that I don't do. And I don't wanna take the blame, neither do you. Because we got too much to lose. We gotta meet in the middle. Meet in the middle. We gotta meet in the middle. We gotta compromise. We gotta analyze. We see eye to eye. Meet in the middle. We gotta meet in the middle. We gotta meet in the middle. We gotta compromise.
You remind me of this chick I knew, used to pursue. She wouldn't let the left man screw, but let the cook. So I did what any man in that situation would do. Go find him something new that's gonna keep it gangsta full. Don't take it personal, I just call him the way I see. And what I see is not a potential wife to be. So basically, there it is, and there it goes. I passed this time, but next lifetime, who knows? Anything, I suppose.
See the thing about you that caught my eye is the same thing that makes me change my mind. Kinda hard to explain, but girl, I'ma try. Need to sit down, this may take a while. See, this girl sorta looks like you. Even smiles just the way you do. So innocent, she seemed, but I was fooled. I'm reminded when I look at you. You remind me of a girl that I was. See your face when I love, and you wouldn't believe all of the things she would be through. Remind me.
Lifestyle Espinoza, chest frozen with the fresh Jehovah. Begins all over the neck, brolic like Lex Luger. Me next to Cuba used to roll up and just a Nova, not a stretch. That's the roaster, got an extra soul for you. Was always there, had my back. Even before I was the first Latin to rap to come home with a platinum plaque. I regret letting you back, cause I want you back. Show a thug some love, baby, holla back.
Limos, XJ 900 Timbos, cable access to Leno. You stay by my side.
So, yo, how's everybody doing?
Break, they kept me safe and held me straight.
Getting money, y'all, what?
Let us know where you're from. Where you tuned in from?
Love you, babe. Cause without you, there's no me. I'm still for you, girl. Even though we disagree, I'll never leave you, baby. Oh, believe it, baby. Cause I realize I need you in my life.
Concentrate, listen to me. Why you do me? Should I surrender when you pursue me? You think a man don't have heart and soul in the hands that good? Anybody a fool, it's like poetry in motion. But the heart regulates the devotion. Love is floating in the sky blue ocean. Think about it, feel emotion. Young queen, it reminds me of a smoothed out movie scene. Two bodies intertwined on the screen. Everybody make love in their dreams, but this is real. Nah, I mean, passion is the way of the world. Electricity when boy meets girl. And making love is the key. A burning flame that'll last eternally.
You should know that I'm here for you. As long as you see me through, I would give all I have just to be with you. Don't you see, honey, it could be me and you. I really look forward to being with you. Yeah. When you're not around, I don't know what to do. Maybe it's me, out here doing my thing. I just got paid today. I'm shaking it from left to right, up and down. You like the way I drop down south, or maybe it's you. Out here with your crew, scoping out the honeys like you do. Fly
Yes, Dizzy, appreciate the kind words, mate.
on the prowl. I know how you get down, so I say no. Don't get too close, 'cause this ain't where you're supposed to be. So what you feeling me? I say no. I don't think so. See, I played them all before. Won't be a fool no more. No, I didn't mean to turn you on. Even though you fly as hell, I know you well. Didn't mean to turn you on. I didn't mean to turn you on. Even though I beat your will, I ain't gon' trip.
Up in VIP, chilling with the platinum pinky ring. Could it be the chromed out rims, the jeans and Timbs make you wanna give with me? Maybe it's you, the things you do got me wanting you. Could it be the big brown eyes, the sexy thighs? Baby, let me ride.
Yes, shout out to Arians with the raid.
Oh,
Don't get too close.
oh,
Yeah, welcome to all the raiders.
it's supposed to be. I know.
Your boy JQ here for the next hour. Well, 40 minutes.
Oh,
Think so.
oh, I know that you've been hurt.
What up, Kesh?
I can give you so much more. Didn't mean to turn you on. Even though that ass looks tight, I wanna ride it. No, didn't mean to turn you on. Girl, I like the way you shake. I wanna take.
People in the house.
Well, sermon. Oh yeah.
People in the house.
Well, sermon. Oh
your boy. Scream at me. Yeah, music that make you feel good. Neighborhood, hood, gully, roll through 'cause it's cool to boost the spirit. But the folks young and old and infants can hear it. Knowing the rap game is not the same, and still I came. Whoever killed Pocket Smalls, they're lame. Eric Sermon, learn my name. When I come to the spot with no security guards, it's me and the squad. I got love. A cat got checked by a fan holding me down. I got street respect. When true fans who don't believe in rumors, real consumers who love what I'm doing. That's why I Superman the E don't bleed. Yeah, never hating. Everybody's out there. Yeah, why you wanna take my car so we can be walking together? Just walk, King Curry, Red Man, that's my
F to the AB.
Man, so we can be walking together.
I ain't Mr. Right, I'm Mr. Right now. I keep women and thongs coming along. You visibly set stones, some in a prong. I can tell you ain't never had someone this long. One night, have them humming my song like, girl, you ain't know I was coming in strong. Now you know not to come at me wrong. I get right.
You're looking just a little too hard at me, standing just a little too close to me. You say I'm not quite enough to me. You're sipping just a little too slow for me. No doubt you play it real cool, homie. Got me thinking, what is it you do for me? Tripping a little more than I should be. So let yourself go and get right with me. It's all about we can get right. It's all the night, it's all we can get right.
Over here ain't nothing but a lot of honeys looking for a man, and with a lot of money bottles in their hand, and short shirts, honeys trying to show that slope. Lined up trying to get through the velvet rope. Cause over here when the jams drop, everybody ball. Standing on the couches like this side club. Got the Bacardi and Cristal mixing too. Yeah, knowing in the morning I'ma feel the blues. But the jams keep dropping and the drinks keep coming and the girls keep talking to me. I mean, straight popping, everybody jumping, making it hard for me to leave.
All you gotta do is call me and I'll come running to where the party at. I keep a pet in a backpack, know what's happening in every city I'm rapping in. If it's a after splash on the left, cat in, kitten purring, tight like virgin, like snow blurring. The party begins when the slurping is. You do me, I do you. Spend the night with Boo Boo. Let's have a private party for two, but it's gotta be bumping in order for me to get cool. Run to the border for Colombians, study horticulture, my green thumb, keep thumb, got your Vegas twist done. I freak until I get number one.
Of what's to come. I'm so happy that I'ma let you go. So long I waited, but never too late.
Yo, what up, Francesca? Nice to have you with us, Francesca. Oh my God, have we got Priya in the chat? Priya, where have you been hiding?
You make me strong. I'm down for you, and whatever you want to do, it's all up to you, because anything gonna try you, it's alright. I'm gonna try. You can ride if you choose to.
Okay, we here now. We in the house now for sure. Check us out. I'm tired of playing games. Sit back, shorty. I'm gonna trade it off. Fabulous talk.
I assume I'm so into you. Cause even before we hit the bedroom, I was friends with you. If they ask, I ain't gotta say whom in them interviews. My sweet thing never believed them rumors that been true. The fact I had numerous friends is true.
Yes, we have the one and only Tony Brasco in the building.
Damn, maybe my sense of humor gets into you, but girl, they can make the perfume from the center of you. I wanna take you where it feel like June and December too. So what you think about Cancun to the winter through? I don't know what the other.
Donnie, that set you did last night was fire.
Go to Bloomies and spend with you like any other man. I would've zoomed to the clinic too. Now I wanna see if me and my junior's identical. A dude put a wound on the skin of you. I swear to everything. That same afternoon they'll be getting you. Feel me?
Even give up a street dream. Anything that have you on my team. Baby girl, I trade it all. You can give up a good thing. And I get to watch it. You trade it all. Anything that have you on my team. Baby girl, I trade it all.
Yo, ladies and gentlemen. Yo, ladies and gentlemen. Yo, ladies and gentlemen. We got Tony Braxton up in the house. We live up in here, y'all. It's getting hot.
Let's get the cow shitting again, spitting the wind, loaded guns, clipping the end, none sicker than him. Yes, indeed, I'm iller than the STDs or sex disease. These dirty rats want extra cheese on that piece of the pie. Now ask me how high, I tell you reach for the sky. Fling the crooked letter rock, that's my home. 23's wrapped in chrome. Not only snap on y'all niggas, but I'll snap them home. Slap your dome, make you leave that crack alone. You got the key to the city, but the latch is on. I got it locked, bringing the noise, bringing the funk, dock the spot. Bringing my boys, bringing you lumps, pop the Glock, but only if you feel this shit. Jack the Ripper, don't make me have to kill this bitch. Back to get y'all, put it in check, that's the Mr. Mac with his foot on your neck, shut your lips up. Smoke cheaper, smoke cheaper. You're so hot that I can kiss the sky. Brick City in the crooked letter rock. Let's get.
It was all a dream. I used to read Word Up magazine, Salt and Pepper and Heavy D up in the limousine, hanging pictures on my wall. Every Saturday, rap attack Mr. Magic Marley Marl. I let my tape rock till my tape pop. Smoking weed and bamboo, sipping on private stock. Way back when I had the red and black lumberjack with the hat to match. Remember rapping Duke? The hard. You never thought that hip hop would take it this far. Now I'm in the limelight cause I rhyme tight. Time to get paid, blow up like the world's trade. Born sinner, the opposite of a winner. Remember when I used to eat sardines for dinner? Beats the Raw G, Brucey B, Kick It Free. Funk Master Flex, Love Bug, Star Schemes. I'm blowing up like you thought I would. Call a crib, same number, same hood. It's all good. And if you don't know, now you know, nigga.
Baby, relax, sit back and chill. Yeah, give me a second and let me tell you how I feel. When in your mouth about would make you think I wouldn't find out. Wasn't I there for you, truly care for you? Maybe my love was just too good. Could've had a good night, love is gone. Now it's back to your head with the Hey, cause he hit it from the front to back. Did you let him break it down like that? Should've told me the love was gone. Told me, baby. No more late night breeze. No more VIP. No more dough. No more late night breeze. No more VIP. No more dough. We can't even kick it no more. Saw you on the Ave in a nap. In the backseat, spinning Henny in the snap. Thought it was me.
Check. We got a mic, yeah?
But I'm having downs, cause I see you trying to play me out. But when I brought my car to the crib with beef, didn't I represent you when I caught him in the streets? So let me get the keys to the Lex, and then my checks, and on my hang up baguettes around your neck, babe. Does he lace you with the fine? Does he make you wanna scream? Yeah. Does he hit it from the front to back? Oh. Did you let him break it down like that? Never thought that you could be wrong. Never thought that you love was wrong. Baby, no more
1, 2.
How y'all feel out there?
The real.
New York, stand up. Hocus pocus.
What's that?
Notice. Yeah. Squads in here.
How y'all feel out there?
Right.
Couple of broads, beer. What?
Yeah. Hey, yo, what up, East Sermon?
Just back again with a 1, 2 in the baseline. That's bound to win. So up, it feels good, don't it? Rock the spot on it. We're doing this early, this hip hop thing. Underground, my sound, my style I bring. My peeps came up in here and cab a feet. They hit his beat in the club. Bass in the soul. Okay, that's love. And now I rock spots and pump it like drugs for them so-called thugs. Me, I'm low key, laid back type of fellow. When the spot get hot, I keep it called mellow. So watch the nugget.
Something brand new from E-Dub.
That's bound to bub. But I don't care if I don't get one spin. I gives a like Lil Jon and them. Yeah.
How y'all feel out there?
I made it easy to dance to this. Put your hands in the air.
How y'all feel out there?
I made it easy to dance to this.
How y'all feel out there?
I made it easy to dance to this. Put your hands in the air.
How y'all feel out there?
Yeah, how y'all feel out there?
We all of us through and through, and though we made it through the storm, I really want you to realize
Have we got DJ Menace in the house?
you are. I've been searching for someone to satisfy my every
Yeah, big up all my Twitch family.
my inspiration. Be the real love that I need. Real love. I'm searching for a real love. Someone to set my heart free. Real love. I'm searching for a real love. Ooh, when I met you, I just knew that you would take my heart and run.
Yeah, big up all the London Irish community locked in right now on StreamYard.
Another one, so I slowly came to see all of
Yeah, that's my people, you get me?
it made up, and now I hold my dreams and inspiration. Lead me towards a real love. I'm searching for a real love. Real love. Come with me, don't you worry. I'm gonna make you crazy. I'll give you the time of your life. I'm gonna take you places you've never been.
Yo, Obi-Wan Kenobi in the room.
So happy that you can't.
What's good, Obi?
Oh,
I hope I'm saying that right.
I'm gonna take you there. Ooh.
Yeah, big up everyone who's hosting.
Don't mind if I light candles. I like to watch us play.
All right, so can someone give me a mic check? Is the mic all good, yeah?
Come closer, baby, closer. Reach out and feel my body. I'm gonna give you all my love.
Yeah, Volteezy knows in the chat. What's good, mate?
All night. Just close your eyes and hold on tight. Oh, baby, don't stop, don't stop. Go deeper, baby, deeper. You feel so good, I'm gonna cry. Oh, I'm gonna take you there. Oh, recall not long ago when you would walk on the sidewalk. Innocent, remember, all we did was care for each other. But the night was warm, we were golden young. All around, the wind blows, we would only hold on to let go. Look, it's fire gun, we need someone to lean on. Look, it's fire gun, all we need is somebody to lean on. Look, it's fire gun, we need someone to lean on. Look, it's fire gun, all we need is somebody to lean on. Down the same road, will you be there by my side? Standing strong as the waves roll over, and the nights I longing for you to come home. All around, the wind blows, we would only hold on to let go.
Live from United States, Brooklyn, New York, it's your boy, Young. The nephew's in the house. As soon as the beat drop, we got the streets locked overseas. A Punjabi MC in the rock. I came to see the mommies in the spot. On the count of three, drop your body like it's hot. 1, Young, 2, you, 1, 2, 3, Young Hoser, snake charmer. Move your body like a snake, mama. Make me wanna put the snake on ya. I'm on my 8th summer, still hot. Young's the 8th wonder. All I do is get bread. Yeah, I take wonder. I take one of your chicks straight from under your armpit. The black Brad Pitt. I'm at till 6 in the AM. All day I'm P.I.M.P. I am simply attached to the track like Symphony. It's simply good. Young Ho, infinitely hood. Nigga NYC, we don't stop. R.O.C. we don't stop. C we don't stop. Boy J.Z. we don't stop. R.O.C. we don't stop. R.O.C. we don't stop.
Come here, rude boy, can you get it up? Come here, rude boy, is you big enough?
Yeah, we've got any Rihanna fans in the house?
Yeah, take it, yeah. Come here, rude boy, can you get it?
Yeah, Saturday night, isn't it?
Rude boy, is you big enough? Take it, yeah.
Bit of clubby thing, innit?
Take it, yeah. Tonight I'ma let you be the captain. Tonight I'ma let you do your thing, yeah. Tonight I'ma let you be a rider. Giddy up, babe. Tonight I'ma let it be fire. Tonight I'ma let you take me higher. Tonight, baby, we could get it on, yeah. We could get it on, yeah. Do you like it, boy? I want. What you want. Give it to me, baby, like boom. What I want is what you want. Nah. Come here, rude boy, can you get it up? Come here, rude boy, is you big enough? Take it, yeah, baby, take it, yeah, baby. Come here, rude boy, can you get it up? Come here, rude boy, is you big enough? Take it, yeah, baby.
She was up that nevertheless, calling it quits now, baby, I'm a wreck. Crash at my place, baby, I'm a wreck. Needless to say, I'm keeping her check. She was up bad, nevertheless, calling it quits now, baby, I'm a wreck. Crash at my place, baby, I'm a wreck. Thinking in a bad way, losing your grip. Screaming at my face, baby, don't trip. Someone took a big L, I don't know how that felt. Looking at your sideways, party on tilt. Ooh, certain things you just can't refuse. She wanna ride me like a cruise, and I'm not trying to lose. You're left in the dust, unless I stuck by ya. Some power, I think you love me too much, or you'll be left in the dust, I love that stuck fire. Sunflower.
Every time I'm leaning on you, you don't make it easy, no. Wish I could be there for you. Give me a reason to. Every time I'm walking out, I can hear you telling me to turn around. Fighting for my trust, so you won't back down. Even if we gotta risk it all right now. I know you're scared of the unknown. You don't wanna be alone. I know I always come and go, but it's out of my control. You left in the dust, and it's just stuck fire. Sunflower, I think your love would be too much. You left in the dust, and it's just stuck fire. Sunflower, sunflower.
S-A-double-D-I-Q. Yo, he wanna get involved with you. It's the S-A-double-D-I-Q. Yo, he wanna get involved with you. It's the S-A-double-D-I-Q. Yo, he wanna get involved with you. It's the S-A-double-D-I-Q. Yo, he wanna get involved.
Met this girl walking in the ghetto, looking good but looking down.
What you say? Come on, bye.
Said she needed inspiration. I said get your shit, cause we're going uptown.
Uptown, baby, uptown, say what?
I could tell she was feeling better.
Yeah, come on, yeah.
When she got inside the car,
she got inside the car.
Yo, Sax London, what's good, mate?
Really cool.
Thanks for popping in.
She was doing her best to try to hide that scar.
What you say? Come on, what you say now?
I don't really care about that dance. Just get involved.
Like that, take it double more time.
You making me feel so real.
Like that, one more time, what you say now? What?
Every time I take you around, friends,
Come on, every time I take you around, friends,
I catch them looking at your love.
looking at your love, like that.
You know it never ever bothered me, cause I know that I'm the one you're thinking of. I don't really care about that dance. Just get involved.
What you say one time, what you say?
You making me feel so real.
Word up. Yo, Raphael just stopped in his tracks. Get involved and make an intimate pact. You know the way that you present your things. We in the belly, so we might as well play. The way you shine, shorty, you the shit. Princess in the fourth of pick. We may be poor, but we rich in soul. Just get involved and get in control. Just get involved and get in control. You know the way you do it, yo, you rock.
Come on, baby. It's not a lot that you've been saying, but I can tell from your body language. Okay, let's talk about it. Get bitch about it. Let's talk about it. But you ain't gotta say too much. Ain't gotta say too much. I can read your body language. Ain't gotta say too much. I can read your body language.
Said you ain't gotta say too much. Hate when you say that I play too much. When I get too close, I'ma touch that subject. I can read your body. Enough said. Quit all that yapping. Need less talking, a little more action. Yeah. Now, girl, keep it G. Know you speak a little freak. I can hear it in your accent. Said, tell me. Can you understand my language? If you try and ride, just stay in my lane. There's no other way to explain it in layman. Who you came with?
It's not a lot that you've been saying, but I can tell from your body language. Okay, let's wish about it. Let's talk about it. But you ain't gotta say too much. Ain't gotta say too much. I can read your body language. Ain't gotta say too much. I can read your body language.
It ain't hard to tell. You don't wanna take it too far, then well, better stop flirting, stop twerking. So.
To have you close to me, I can't believe it. All the things I do to keep you loving me, it's just too much for me.
Hey, Marie.
It's like having you on my side, 'cause no matter what you're going
Check it out.
through, you know that I'm alright.
You a brave girl, I'm a brave heart in Carhartt and Champion hoodies. You in the Benz buggy with the fullies, I ride beside you. We about to pull an all-nighter, I'm a super freak like Rick James. Sex and ranges parked on dangerous blocks. You like it when the strangers watch, I'm looking out for cops. You a girl in
Yo, DSD, my guy, what's good, man?
in the air for the GQ Man of the Year. That Bentley upholstery leather, the leather that be up.
Good to see you in here, mate.
Wherever I go, so there you have it. Cashmere fabrics, never caught in last year's garments. Holsters under armpits. Chauffeurs in the trams lit, and a coat is holding on the Dawn's wrist. She got the ill will chain on, turquoise boots saying Godson, this the theme song.
To have you close to me, I can't believe it. All the things I do to keep you loving me, it's just too much for me. To not have you by my side, 'cause no matter what you're going through, you know that I'm alright.
You know, it's like a family thing on Twitch right now.
Yeah.
All my old school people in the room.
Yo, I come from the housing, tenement buildings, unlimited killings, menaces marked for death. Better known
Dizzy, Kid Ray, DSD, Vampiretta.
I owe to it my success was survival of the fittest. Every day is a child. I would think I'm a part of USA and be proud.
All we need now is to be back at my place in Custom House with tea and hobnobs in it.
War to really your problems. I reached for the stars, but I just kept slipping. On this life mission, never know what's next. Ancient kings from Egypt up to Julius Caesar had a piece of the globe, every continent. Yo, there's Asia, Africa, Europe, France, Japan, Pakistan, America, Afghanistan. Yo, there's Protestants, Jews, blacks, Arabics. Call a truce, world peace, stop acting like savages. No war, we should take time and think. The bombs and tanks makes mankind extinct. But since the beginning of time, it's been men when arms fight.
Yeah, DSD, it's got to be chocolate hobnobs.
Why then must it go on? We must stop the killing. Tell me why we die. We all God's children.
Yes. Once again, out to all the StreamYard crew.
Yeah.
Got all the London Irish community locked in on StreamYard.
What?
Irish Film London event. This is the after party.
Peace. Yo, there's brothers on the block posted up like they own it. That's they Kona from New York to California. Got blocks locked down. Like dog, you safe, whatever you with me. See, this is my town. So the youngsters grows in ghettos, goes to prison at an early
DSD 2 is never enough. At least 4 per cup of tea, right?
day. He must open up his eyes to the setbacks and rise. 'Cause everybody wants a shot in this land of opportunity. Look at what this country's got. There shouldn't be nobody homeless. How can the president fix all the problems when he ain't fixed home yet? The earth wasn't made for one man to rule alone. To all colors and creeds, it's the home it belongs. I want land, mansions, banks, and gold. The diamonds in Africa, oil in my control. The world's natural resources, all its residuals. But then comes foes, I have to guard it with missiles. And I become the most wanted. But is it worth hearing the million people problems and followed by Secret Service? I guess attempts on my life with loaded. So move over, Colin Powell, or just throw in the towel. Yo. Come on. Yeah. For the world. What? Come on.
Yeah. All right, so this next one is going out to my mud. This is one of her favorite jams, and it's one of mine too. Yeah, big up Vampiretta. Yes, Irish Film London in the house. I hope you guys had a good event today, by the way.
The diner on the corner. I am waiting
Now you can let your hair down with me, innit?
for the man to pour the coffee, and he fills it only halfway. And before I even argue, he is looking out the window at somebody coming in. It is always nice to see you, says the man behind the counter to the woman who has come in. She is shaking her umbrella, and I look the other way as they are kissing their hellos. And
So to anyone who's just joined us on Twitch or StreamYard,
instead
my name is DJ JQ. And I'm here doing this every week.
I open up the paper. There's a story of an actor who had died while he was drinking. It was no one I had heard of, and I'm turning to
Yeah, what up, DJ Ariane's getting your lurk on.
when I'm feeling someone watching me, and so I raise my head.
When I'm looking at you, I keep thinking, why can't she be like you? So I'm scheming, I can't go on like this, believing that her love is true. Oh, standing on the dance floor while she drinking, you are all I want, girl.
Yeah, shout out to all my people across the pond.
He might be together.
All the UK Irish community.
Listen, girl, I want you. So what can we do? Girl, if it's alright, let's go somewhere and get it on tonight. Let's get it on. I got a girl, but you look good tonight. You look so good, baby. It's one on one tonight, baby. Tonight, girl, if it's alright, let's go somewhere and get it on tonight. Get it on. You shouldn't have to be alone tonight. Yeah. It's one on one tonight.
Are you guys giving Ariane's a hard time?
Now she's looking at me.
Yeah, keep it up until he stops lurking.
Oh, now she trying to ice you. Let's start walking over on the dance floor. It's her fault, but what can she do? Tell me, baby. Yeah. I'm ready. We can get it on. Know that I've been wrong. With you is where I belong. Below, if I find the words to say, you say it. I can't get away from my love that gives me every day. Every day, yeah. Girl, if it's alright, let's go somewhere and get it on tonight. You know, got a girl, but you look good. Oh, you look so good, girl. It's one on one tonight.
When I rise in the morning and face the sunlight, you bounce on my love and it's airtight. Sometimes I'm curious on how you feel when you're screaming out my name. Is it really for reality? Originality, my mentality. Explore every possibility. Let's get down. Shorty time will reveal the only true test is pain.
DSD, for about the next 20 minutes, I'm afraid that's a no.
Disappears in the blink of.
But after 20 minutes, yes.
I'm C, caught up in your love. You are incredible, your love was a drug. Are you the one that can hold me down? I don't know, but I like the sound. You are amazing, there's no doubt. Chop it off with an S, cause you smooth me out.
Get ready. Come on. And let me love you. I got the answer. Right here beside me, girl. That's right. Love is a giver. I wanna think with you. So let me win, girl. I wanna know what's on your mind. Love got to love me.
So guys,
but now we minimize the
guess who's getting his own radio show soon?
bus. And from the bus, my horse. Arias, young Serafina.
That's all I'm saying.
Fabulous, fabulous.
Lovely lady, here's my intention. I've gotta have you right here beside me. Love is a gamble I wanna take with you. I wanna win, girl. So let me know what's on your mind. Love what you love it. I'm curious. I wanna know what's on your mind. I'm curious. Love what you love it. I'm curious. I wanna know.
I'm a hustler, baby. Look at me. Got the streets locked, baby. Look at the girl. See the hate now, baby. Pushing weight now, baby. Gotta skate now, baby. And it's all for you. Ooh, I'll ride for you. Cause I want the best for you. Take a bullet in the chest for you. You gon' make it back from the block cause it's hot now, baby. I left the keys to the drop and the cash in the lockbox, girl. I'ma be a man, I'ma do what I got to do. But yeah, I'ma make it home, girl. I'll be missing. Now don't cry now, lady. Cause you know the reason why now, lady. Yeah, gotta hold it down for time now, baby. But I gotta take this ride now, lady. Yeah, yeah. And it's all for you, all for you. I'll ride for you. Cause I want the best for you. Take a bullet in the chest for you. I'ma make it back from the back cause it's hot now, baby. I left the keys to the drop in the cash in the lockbox, girl. I'ma be a man, I'ma do what I got to do. I don't make it back, I don't make it back, girl, I'm gonna miss you.
Like my whole life, you always bring me through when shit ain't right. Girl, you pleasure me like no one can. When no one can relate, you understand. Now I can't tell you how you make me feel. You took my hopes and dreams, made them real. So I thank you, but not just for me, but for the dirty sound. From sea to shining sea, R&B, faithful to thee. Yes, I love you. I love you. For what you gave to me. R&B.
All right, so I'm just going to let this one breathe for a bit. What a jam, innit?
You live on and on for eternity. With every race you've been, you slept around. But they can't.
So how we doing on StreamYard?
Like I know how.
Are we all happy over there, yeah?
Money, girl, I ain't mad. But you mean much more to me than some passing fad. They say you're fading.
Yeah, StreamYard crew, let me know where you're from.
Your time is running.
Whereabouts in the UK are you?
But that's a lie. Lot of changes through the years. Some I don't approve. But you always come back strong and find your groove. Hey, R&B, I got to the things. Yes, I love you. What you like? What you need, your money. R&B, what you like? I think you had it.
I like 'em brown, yellow, Puerto Rican, or Haitian with good conversation, plenty big faces. It's a must-I stay luxurious, jewelry cut, precision like I was. Been winning since funkified blew up. It's evident, shit, I can't be touched. Niggas say I'm too much. I trust this true. Why lie? See for yourself when I slide through. Drive by, your bitch say, don't look, you do. Shine so bright in the whip, you do. You wish boo-boo could ride with you tonight. Ain't nothing in the world that Brett can't do. She attractive to them, him, her, and you shit. Frostbit, December, unrestricted. Drop dead, the cost is priceless. Due to the content, I suggest you like this.
What do you like? A whole lot of foreplay right before you get it started. What do you like? Stay on top. You want a bottom type party. What do you like? Somebody that can make you say wow. Oh no, all night long. Tell me
What's up, the setting? A hot ass club, and you still be sweating. Me, I don't see nothing wrong with giving a little love, but nigga, just let me breathe. Damn, you cute as hell, so let's switch the digits. Then I got to leave, and
what I'ma go socialize and smoke my weed. And I like it when you keep your eyes on me. And I like it when you touch my privacy. And I like it. Sex and ecstasy when the belt buckle loosen up. Undress me, already juiced up. That come naturally wet. On and off so romantically. No woman can slow down, to throw down like I can. Ask if you curious to know what I like, man.
What do you like? Whole lot of foreplay ready for your kitty style. What do you like? Ain't no job. You want a butterfly party. What do you like? Somebody that I like to know what's like. So all night long.
Right. My AI just changed. It just buzzed the front gate. I thank God you came. How many more days could I wait? I made plans with you, and I won't let them fall through. I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Yours to cry for you. Do things when you want me to, like controller, controller, yeah. Like controller, controller, yeah. Like controller, control.
All right, so check it out. For the last hour, we've been streaming for Irish Film London.
Controller.
Yeah. This has been the after party for their event that they held today. So we're about to sign off from StreamYard. I just want to say a big shout out to all the Irish community in London, all the Irish Film London event people. Thank you very much for having me and for tuning into my stream.
Okay, you like it when I get.
We'll see you next time. Irish Film London, big up.
When I get aggressive, tell you to. You like it when I get aggressive.